Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's begin our lesson.
Question number 9. What is failure fifth or truncated fifth? The answer is when wave 5 fails to reach the high of wave 3.
Quote number 5. Peter Lynch said, "All the math you need in the stock market you get in the 4th grade." This is a training code to remind you to keep your trading strategy simple. The more complex your trading strategy is, the more things can go wrong. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.